You voted, I've listened. So guess what today is? I'm cooking for you a dinner, and it is for Fiesta Friday. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. We're in 2021. There's a lot of great things going on. Guys, again, you voted and I listened. So today I'm making for you this nice Mexican dinner that is low calorie and it's good for you. It's Fiesta Friday. Right now I'm going to make some sauteed chicken, breast, and thighs. The thighs make it a little more juicy and I've cut them all up. It is cumin, salt, pepper, a little bit of secret sauce, and I am going to saute them with red pepper, yellow pepper, onions, and garlic. You know your girl love garlic, so I've got about 5 cloves of garlic that's gonna go in here. So right now I'm gonna chop that up so that I can get that sauteing. Meanwhile, I have black beans that's been washed, soaking, and rinsed, and it's on the stove with some bay leaves. There's gonna be some yummy black beans. I have Mexican rice. I have the specialty here is the Mexican street corn. Yes, Kroger brand. Hey Kroger. So guys, hang with me. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff chopped up and get it sauteed so we can get this dinner on the table. dinner is served. And that's right, I have the sauteed peppers, onions, garlic, and chicken breast and thighs mixed to make it juicier. I have the Spanish or Mexican rice. I have the black beans, and I have the avocado on top and lime on the sides. And I garnished it with cilantro. I know a lot of people don't like cilantro, but okay, to each his own. You don't have to have it. And then I have my Mexican street corn. Let's see if I can give you a close-up of that corn. Look at that deliciousness. Now, if you want to know the recipe to this street corn, well, just know I'm going to have a video on that coming soon. So let's get in where we fit in. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. Thank you, Lord, for all the continued blessings you laid upon this household, our health, our wealth, and our finance. Thank you, Lord, for all of these wonderful things that I am praying and asking for. I love you. Thank you, Jesus. Amen. Amen. So, guys, this deliciousness, I can't eat all of this, so I'm going to make myself a serving, doing 2-in-1 with my handy dandy Aztec plate purchased from Cracker Barrel on sale, guys. Yeah, this whole entire set was $5.99. Yes! So I'm going to fill my plate up here so that I can talk to you for just a second so you can see what my reaction is to all of this yumminess. So I got my rice in here. The black beans, just a little bit, so you guys can see, so I can call my fam in so they can get their food. So, and some of this deliciousness with the sauteed veggies and peppers and the marinated chicken. So let's get just enough in here so I can tell you guys what we're talking about here. That's right enough, because I want to taste this corn more than anything. So I'm going to try the black beans with the rice. There we go. Yum, yum. Delicious. Of course, you know, those peppers, onions, and garlic set the scene off. Have some. This is delicious. This piece of the chicken. Have some. Pray, Lord. Work with me on this. You know, I don't eat meat, but I have to do this for my fam bam out there looking. This for the chicken. It's tender, it's juicy, it's tasty. More rice and beans. And some healthy fat here with the avocado. Love avocado. So, if you wanted to do this dish, we're trying to lay off the carbs. This rice is wild rice. I was going to do quinoa, but I decided to do the wild rice. And you can use the burrito wraps, or you can use taco shells, whatever you want to use, but we're trying to stay away from that. And let's go ahead and dig in on this corn, this street corn. Oh my God, look how delicious. Look at that. Definitely have some. Here we go. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. This is so good. This is so delicious. Oh my God. I'm not going to prank on y'all's ear because this is good. So, like I said, the corn, I will do a video on the Mexican street corn. Delicious. This whole meal took about, even with prep, maybe 40 minutes. That's including prep. So it's doable. It is something that is healthy for you. So if you can find ways to alter your intake of breads and pasta, you do so. It's good and it's healthier for you. I'm not gonna stay on too much longer because I don't want a long video and I'm hungry. I gotta finish this street corn. So again, thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Eat, Drink, and Be Happy. And I will see you next time on my next video. Be sure to review the full video, leave me a genuine comment about this video, then thumbs me up and share me out because sharing is caring. And if you are not a friend of mine on YouTube, be sure that you go down below somewhere and subscribe to my channel. And then don't you dare forget to go right next door and that notification bell. Click it, guys, so that you can be notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Thank you again for joining me. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.